For centuries, scientists fought over a simple question: is light a stream of particles or a wave? The answer, it turns out, is a paradox. It's both. Light is the fastest thing in the universe, an electromagnetic wave that uniquely needs no medium to travel. That's why we can see a star millions of light years away, but we can never hear its roar across the silent vacuum of space. Unlike sound, which is a vibration in matter, light is a self-propagating ripple in electric and magnetic fields, racing along at 300 million meters per second. But what our eyes perceive as light is just a tiny sliver of a much larger reality, the electromagnetic spectrum. This invisible landscape ranges from radio waves miles long that carry our broadcasts, all the way up to powerful high-energy gamma rays forged in nuclear reactions. In between, you have microwaves that cook your food, infrared that we feel as heat, and the ultraviolet light that gives us a sunburn. It's all the same phenomenon, just vibrating at different frequencies. And here's where it gets strange. While light travels like a wave, it interacts with matter as a particle, a tiny, distinct packet of energy called a photon. The energy of each photon is tied directly to its frequency. This is why high-frequency blue light carries more energy than low-frequency red light. When this light enters a new medium, like water or a diamond, it slows down. This bending of light, known as refraction, is precisely what creates the brilliant sparkle in a gem and the magnificent arc of a rainbow. So light is far more than just brightness. It's a dual identity traveler, a fundamental carrier of energy and information that connects the quantum realm to the grand scale of the cosmos. It's the wave that paints our world and the particle that powers it.